Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone apps keep crashing problem after updating to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17 they are facing an issue of app crashings and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, today in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to update the apps which are causing the issue. Make sure that the apps is up to date. You have to go to the App Store, then go to the profile, and from here you can update your apps. After updating the app and you're still facing the issue, then our next step is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes simple restarting your iPhone can resolve app crashing issues. You have to open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then wait for a few seconds, then restart it. After restarting, then if today is check for iOS update, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the settings, go to then software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.3.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. If I update into the latest version and still facing the issue, then if you do is check your storage space. Insufficient storage space on your iPhone can cause apps to crash. You have to go to the settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage to see how much space is available. If it's low, consider deleting unused apps or media to free up storage. If it still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is disable the background app refresh. Background app refresh can sometimes cause instability. You have to go to the settings, then go to general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on it. You have to make sure that this is off. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset app settings. You have to go to the settings, go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone apps keep crashing after updating to the latest version of iOS 17. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.